Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it is the 12th day of February, and it's about 4 o'clock in the morning as I'm making this. Yesterday, 81 degrees in Montgomery. That almost broke the record. We came within 1 degree of the record, and today we have a chance of tying the record or maybe going above it. The record is 80 from 1922. So that's fuel for the fire for tonight's storm system. Again, we expect strong to severe storms in the state tonight. My level of concern is a little bit lower on tonight's severe weather threat. But also the Storm Prediction Center has adjusted the area of threat level, and we'll look at that new map as well. It's raining as I make this right now, and we're going to look at how much rain could fall over the next few days. Any additional rainfall is going to further aggravate the river situation here in the state of Alabama. Let's get rolling, and we'll also look at the weekend forecast as well. There's the storm system this morning near Shreveport, and with moist southerly winds out ahead of it and potential record warmth, that's going to set the stage for a stormy night tonight as the low continues moving towards the Tennessee Valley. And during the daytime hours, there could be a few showers, maybe even a thunderstorm, but the primary threat of the concentrated activity would be late tonight. Today's high around 80. That would tie the record from 1922. 100% chance of storms in the wee hours of the morning tonight. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour today. Tonight at 9 o'clock, the front has made it into northwest Alabama, heading on southeastward. There will be a line of strong thunderstorms ahead of it, and the Storm Prediction Center has now backed off on their level 2, that yellow risk area, to mainly northwest Alabama with the threat of damaging wind gusts and a marginal severe weather risk all the way from about Chambers County to around Greenville, but it does not include the southeastern counties of the state. Here's a future radar, 2 o'clock in the morning. You see a line of very strong thunderstorms, again, some possibly severe, in through west Alabama, making it to about, let's say, Clanton, Selma by 4 a.m. And don't take that literally. We're just looking at one model idea. And then into the river region and in through central Alabama at 6 a.m. in the morning, and then farther southeast after that. In fact, the front tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. will be into southeast Alabama. And the threat of showers continues till about lunchtime or thereabouts. But I think by later on in the afternoon, the shower threat mainly is in southeast Alabama. We have falling temperatures during the day. A cold start Friday morning. We're in the at least mid-30s, and a breezy, chilly day with highs only in the 50s. I think we're down to freezing on Saturday morning, but a nice day with a high temperature up around 60. You know, Sunday, there's question marks on whether it will rain or not. I've backed off on the rain chances just a little bit on Sunday, but I think scattered showers are a good bet Monday and from time to time next week. So we've got a high temperature around 66 early in the day tomorrow before temperatures fall into the 50s during the afternoon, down to 34 Friday morning, only in the mid-50s on Friday, then a freeze Saturday morning with a high around 60, chance of showers Sunday and Monday, and that the rain chances will be adjusted as we get closer to that time period. It's a little iffy at the moment. And the rainfall amounts will be heaviest up in northwest Alabama, 3 to 5 inches possible in the next 7 days, 2 to 4 inches perhaps in north central Alabama, and lesser amounts in the southeastern counties. And that's going to further aggravate the river situation, which is pretty bad in Alabama, as you know. Every place where you see an orange dot or a red dot is a river that is above flood stage. And where you see a yellow dot, that's a river that is in near flood stage. So any additional rainfall over the next few days is going to further aggravate the situation. Well, here's an example. This is what it looks like in downtown Montgomery. That's the Riverwalk Amphitheater underwater in downtown Montgomery. Flood stage is 35 feet, and last time we checked, the river was about at 39 feet, and will crest around closer to 41 feet, and then stay above flood stage throughout the upcoming weekend. Montgomery's worst weather day ever was 75 years ago today. Powerful F3 tornado ripped through town from about the Day Street area, then just south of downtown through Chisholm. 26 dead, 100 injured. 5:18 p.m. One of 8 powerful F2 or higher tornadoes that day that killed 38 people in Alabama. February 12th, 1945. Just a reminder of what season we're in. All right, my shirt's a little wet now because I just had to retrieve Bailey and get her back in the house. The rain is getting a little bit heavier at this location right now. I hope you have a good day today. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Make sure you have our weather app on your phone or tablet. It will alert you to severe weather tonight and my forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Have a good day. I'll see you later.